Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to sum multiple column values in Power Query in one go. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So right now I am in Power BI desktop, and from here I will go to the Power Query editor. So transform data, and from here again I will click on the transform data to go to Power Query editor, and I will show you the table there. This is the table actually, salary table, and you can see the employee name and the basic salary and DA, HRA and travel allowances. So I want to calculate a gross salary of each employee. So the traditional way is to add basic plus DA plus HRA plus travel, but I will show you how to do this in one go. So first thing, what I'm going to do, I will convert each row into a list. So I will add a column, and I will add a custom column from here, and column name is a gross salary, and here what I am going to do, I will say record dot to list and bracket open underscore bracket close. So this record dot to list will convert each row into a list, and this underscore represent the each row. So we'll go step by step. I will show you the step by step. So now I'll click OK. So as you can see, the list is created. If I will click on here, so you can see the first row, the name of the employee Jack, the basic plus DA plus HRA plus travel allowances. So now I can easily sum this, but the problem is here the employee name. So we'll try to remove the employee name. So I'll again go back to the same column, and I will bring this code into a next line, and here I will say list dot skip bracket open, and here I will close the bracket. So list dot skip, what it does basically, it will skip the first row. Okay, so I will click OK. Again I will click on the list. So as you can see here, the employee name has been removed. So now you can see the basic, DA, HRA and travel. So now each row is like that only. So you can see the 40,000 basic, 20,000 DA and 5,000 HRA and 5,000 travel allowances, like that. So now we will easily sum this. So I'll again go back to the same column, and I will add a new line here, and now I will say list dot sum bracket open and bracket close. So what it will do, sum, it will sum the basic, DA, HRA and travel allowances. So now if you will click OK, so now you can see the 1 lakhs, 50,000 and 30, 15 and 30, and this 20, 50,000, 50 plus 50, 1 lakhs. Similarly for other records. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.